So I wanted to make a short video quick just to hopefully help somebody out sometime if they need it, if they have the same issue I did. So I picked this thing up. This is a Grassman GT5000. It's got the 54-inch deck. It had an issue. I bought it, like I said, off the Facebook Marketplace, and I was having some issues with it, and the PTO was cutting out and it sucked. So what I ended up doing is finding a gauge, and I want to put the gauge on it. I replaced the battery. That didn't help. I cut it a couple more times and still had the same issue. Found out that the voltage regulator was bad, which is this guy down in here. Replaced that and everything was good. So the reason I wanted to add a voltage gauge to this thing is because it doesn't have anything to tell me that the charging system is working. It's got an amp meter, but that's only for when the PTO is engaged, and the issue that happens is that the PTO is reliant on voltage to stay engaged. So if your voltage drops, your PTO is going to cut out. And when it cuts out, you're going to think, oh crap, I got to put a new clutch on this thing. The reason I'm making this video is that it seems rudimentary, but these things are 6-volt systems. So coming up with a way to wire it, and if you look down in there, you can see there's like, a good amount of wires, but that's all 6-volt. And I didn't know that right away. I wired this thing up, and I thought it was gonna work, but I was reading the half the voltage that I needed. So what I ended up doing is, for power and ground, I came right off of where the wires come out from the alternator. Your alternator coils are up in here. This will never really go bad. Really high chance of it just lasting forever. It's just a copper coil and some magnets. This is the voltage regulator. Like I said, this converts from AC to DC because this thing has to run on DC voltage. You get an alternating current from the alternator, and yeah, it's not good. So like I said, I wired this thing up the first time, and I went off the headlight switch, which is up in here. These wires up in here, and it was 6 volts. I should have known it, but long story short, if you want to get 12 volts and you want to put a voltmeter on just to check your voltage, come off of the alternator, and then up here on your starter solenoid, you're going to have a ground wire going into the starter solenoid. That'll give you a 12 volt reading, and it'll also read the voltage that the alternator is kicking out. So you're going to get an accurate reading of, like, hey, my charging system is working, my battery's working, everything's good. And the reason I want that is because, like, I have 3 acres to mow, and having this thing kick out, the voltage regulator was $10. I don't know how long it's going to last, and I just don't want to get stuck down there and have half my lawn mowed and not be able to finish it because PTO won't stay on, and I got to go and wait for another one to come. So here we go. You turn the key on, you get to your 12.4 volts, and that's what my battery's sitting at right now. When I start it up, it should jump up to about 13.5. So we got 13.5, and now when I'm riding around, when I'm doing my mowing, I know that everything on my mower is working. My PTO is not going to cut out on me. I'm not going to have another bad day where I got to spend half my day finding, what's the issue here. So that's my short little video. I hope it helps somebody. If you guys have questions that need answering, I don't mind. Just send me a message and I'll answer you. Thanks for watching.